This illustration deals with temperature limitation in accordance with NEC 314.17, B as in boy, 4. The purpose of the change was to provide a new subsection or subdivision. And this new subdivision has been added to clarify that non-metallic boxes and conduit bodies shall be suitable for the lowest temperature rated conductor entering the box or conduit body. Now, notice the conduit body right to the bottom left hand side of the illustration. And it's the call out says non-metallic conduit body 314.17B4. And the note right above it says conduit bodies and non-metallic boxes shall be suitable for the lowest temperature conductor that enters the box or body as outlined in 314.17B4. But notice if you should perform splices in the conduit body, it should be listed for splicing, or it's just made to pull through. It's just a pull through point where you could maybe have 4 more 90-degree bends, so to speak. Now, let's review the box with the switch. Then notice it's an NM cable coming into the box, so it'll extend in. This is 1/4 of an inch like we looked at earlier, the non-metallic sheath would. And notice the call out to the left, it talks about specific non-metallic box with cable assembly, 314.17B4. Then, of course, to the very right, you pick up a non-metallic box that is listed in 314.17B4. Now, for example, we could go to, I think it is, chapter 24 in 70B, and it's going to refer you over to Article 404 if you change out that switch that you see there. In other words, perform maintenance, in other words. And then notice we, in the also reference there, it states C314.17C and 300.14G is in gray, and for number 4 or larger size conductors, or otherwise, you're going to be dealing with number 6 or smaller if you review your table 314.16A, I believe it is. And you would review 314.28 if you had number 4 larger conductors in the raceway, and it's the size of the raceway that would determine a box size. So the designer and the installer boxes, conduit boxes, junction boxes, pull boxes, device boxes, and so forth, they must know that it seems like that cutoff is number 6 or smaller or number 4 larger to determine how you would select your box.